Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can be able to unlock your Pi token on the Pi platform so that you can be able to transfer or deposit it into your exchange of choice, which can be Gate.io, OKX or BitGet. So whichever exchange that you have, after unlocking it, you'll be able to deposit it there so that you can be able to sell them or convert them to USDT and then probably sell it in the exchange via the P2P trading platform so that you can be able to receive your money into your local currency, into your bank account. So guys, this video is about unlocking your Pi token, and if you want to learn how to unlock your Pi token, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Guys, let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to go over to your Pi browser, go over to your Pi wallet. So let me tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Then what I will do next is to tap on where you can see Pi browser. You can see it right there. So let me tap on Pi browser. So guys, you can see it's loading up. Then here is the next step. You can see what's written there. Welcome to the Pi browser. So what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see wallet. So let me tap on wallet. You can see it right there. Then here is the next step. You can see what's written there. Unlock Pi wallet. So what you have to do now is to input your passphrase. So let me input my passphrase right away. So guys, now you can see it's opening. I've inputted it and it's loading up. Well guys, can see now I've been able now to open my Pi wallet. So guys, can see at the top right there, that's the total amount of Pi token that I've mined on this platform. You can see it right there, 699.32 Pi token. That's the total amount of Pi token that I have, but the available balance that I have is 48.88 Pi token. That's the amount of Pi token that I have that I can actually withdraw from this platform, that I can actually deposit into my exchange account. You can see it right there, 48.88 Pi token. What this means is that over 640 Pi token has been locked up here in this platform. So the available amount of Pi token that I can actually use or withdraw is 48.88 Pi. So what I'm going to be doing now is to show you how you can be able to unlock this Pi token. Like I showed you, over 640 Pi token has been locked up in my account. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to unlock it right now. But before I do that, let me go over to my transaction history to show you guys the time and the date when I actually locked up this my Pi token. Let me tap on see more down there. So guys, now you can see my transaction is loading. Let me scroll down. So guys, you can see down there, that's the amount of Pi token that has been locked in my account right there. You can see it, 649.4457202 Pi token. You can see the exact date and the time. The date right there is 2024 June 22. So guys can see it right there. You can see the time. So let me go back now. Let me go back. What I want to do now is to show you guys more details. So you can see that over 640 something Pi token has been locked up. That's why you can see the available balance right there is 48.88 Pi token. So guys, let me tap on lockups now. You can see where it is written lockups. I want to show you guys more details. You can see it right there on the right hand side. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the amount of Pi token right there, and you can also see the date that I actually locked up this Pi token. You can see it right there. So guys, what I want you to take note is the time that I'm going to be able to unlock this Pi token. You can see the time right there, 2027 June 25th. So you guys can see that's when I'm going to be able to unlock this Pi token. So until 2007 25th of June, I will not be able to unlock this Pi token. But in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to unlock this Pi token right away. It's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end. So guys, now let me go back now. Let me go to the home. Then what we're going to do now is to go over to the mainnet platform. And for us to do that, you have to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top. So let me tap on it. Then what I'm going to do now is to tap on mainnet, which is the second option. So let me tap on mainnet. You can see it's loading up. So guys, you can see on the left hand side where it is written unverified, you can see the amount of Pi token that is there, 522.09 Pi token. That token right there has been withheld. It is withheld because the friends that you invited have not yet done their KYC. They've not yet verified themselves on this Pi platform. So once they verify themselves and they are able to complete their KYC, that Pi token will be added to your account. They'll be able to withdraw it from this platform and deposit it to any exchange of choice. So guys, now that being said, let me go ahead now to show you how you can be able to unlock your Pi token. You can see where it is written configure lockup rate. What you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there, configure lockup settings. Lock up a portion of your Pi token to boost up your mining rates. Then if you want to learn more, you tap on read more. Let me continue reading. It says each adjustment of your settings will take effect on your next transfer to the mainnet. So guys, take note of that. Let me go down now. You can see that they have two settings right there under the configure lockup. You can see the first one right there is lockup percentage, while the second settings right there is lockup duration. So under the lockup percentage, you can see that I locked up 100% of my Pi token on this platform. You can see it right there, 100% is being selected. To some persons they locked up 25, to some persons 50%, 90%, 200%, depending on the choice they made. Then now over to the lockup duration. This is where you have to pay attention. This is where the trick lies on. You can see for me I choose 3 years. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. That's why if you could remember when I took you guys to the lockup page, when I tapped on the lockup page, you could see that it will take me until June 2027 for me to be able to unlock my Pi token. If you could remember, you can see it right there on the screen. So it's going to take that long because the lockup duration I chose is 3 years. I locked up my Pi token 2024. The release date, the unlock date is going to be 2027, which is 3 years, which is corresponding with this lockup duration that you can see here. I chose 3 years. So guys, now the secret behind unlocking your Pi token is here. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how you can be able to unlock your Pi token. But before I do that, you can see right there, you can see my mining rate. My mining rate down there is 552.07%. You can see it right there. That 552.07% is high because I chose 3 years. So the amount of lockup duration that you choose is going to determine the amount of mining rate you're going to get. If you choose 1 year, it's going to be reduced. If you choose 6 months, it's going to be more reduced. But if you go for 3 years, the mining rate is going to be high. That's why you could see that I actually have enough Pi token. Let me go now to show you guys my mining rate, what I'm able to mine per hour on this Pi platform. Let me go back now. So guys, now you can see right there, I'm able to mine 0.1 Pi every hour. That means in 24 hours, I'm going to be mining about 2.4 Pi, which is actually huge. This as a result of the fact that I chose 3 years as my lockup duration. So this is the advantage of going for a higher lockup duration. That's why you can see that I now have plus 552.07%. So this is my mining rate. So guys, this is the secret. But guys, now let me show you guys how you can be able to unlock your Pi token right away. So what you have to do now in order to unlock your Pi token is to adjust this lockup duration. And for you to adjust this lockup duration, you have to use that slider right there. You can see where the arrow is pointing. You have to slide it to the left. So let me use the slider right away now to slide to the left. Let me slide to the left real quick. You can see guys, I've slide. So guys, now you can see I've adjusted the lockup duration now to 2 weeks. You can see it right there. So what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see increase commitment. You can see it down there. But before I do that, you can see that my mining rate has actually reduced. It was about 550 something percent, but now it is 316.57%. So guys can see it right there. Now I've been able now to reduce this lockup duration to 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, I'll be able to have my Pi token. My Pi token will be unlocked. Then after it has been unlocked in 2 weeks, I'll be able now to transfer my Pi token from here into my BitGet exchange or my OKX exchange or my Gate.io exchange, whichever exchange you're using at all. So guys, now after reducing the lockup duration, what you simply have to do is to tap on where you can see increase commitment. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it real quick. Wow guys, can see right there, success, lockup settings updated. Now we've been able now to successfully unlock our Pi token. So guys, this is how you can simply unlock your Pi token by just adjusting this lockup duration. You can see it right there. 2 weeks now has now been selected. So what you simply have to do is just to wait for these 2 weeks, then your Pi token will be unlocked. Then after it's been unlocked, you're going to find it in your available account, available balance. You can see it right there. It's going to be transferred from this locked account down to this your available balance. They'll be able to withdraw it or transfer it into your exchange or wallet of choice. So guys, this is how you can be able to unlock your Pi token, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.